NDC Heating Cooling is a family-owned and operated business. We've been servicing homes and businesses in Columbiana and Mahoning counties since 2006. Our owner, Dave Norris, has been providing HVAC services since 1992. Our commercial and residential heating services include furnace repair, furnace installation, ductless split system installation, amongst many other options. With our preventative maintenance plans, they include 10% off parts during a service call, 30-day labor warranty, $100 off a furnace or AC installation, and maintenance reminders. Be sure to ask about our plans to find the right one for you. Financing options are available. For veterans and active military, emergency services workers, and first responders, we offer $100 on any installation or 5% off service. We truly take pride in finding the best solutions for our clients here at NDC Heating and Cooling.